Okay, what do you have to do? You have to look at the picture. Remember where everything is, right? I will show you a picture. You have to keep remember where the things are. Okay, all right. You need to remember the position of the things. All right. So watch the picture very carefully. I can ask you verbally as well. Are you ready? Okay, now see this picture. See this picture very carefully and keep remember the position of the objects, just like where is the blackboard, where is the bat, where is the ball, where is the toy, where is the pencil, right? Keep remember, right? Just like bat is on the chair, ball is on the floor, teddy is on the chair. Okay? This pencil is in the box. The hat is on the table. The duck is on the shelf. The watch is under the table. Right? So you need to keep remember the position of the objects. Where is the clock? It is above the shelf. Right? So all these things. Watch very carefully. And after that, I will ask you. I'm giving you time. I will count up to 15 and then I will remove this picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Time over. Okay, tell me the position of the watch. Where was the watch? These are the options. Okay, so which option is correct? Where was the watch? Where is the watch? It's on the chair, in the box, under the desk. Which one is the correct answer? Okay, Devansh, correct. Dushyant, correct. Swastika, correct. Rudra, correct. Okay, let me ask Prinjal. Prinjal, tell me, where was the watch?
Ma'am, then
Please read the complete sentence. I want the answer in complete sentence.
and watch is under the tank.
Desk. Very good. This is the correct answer. It was under the desk. Absolutely correct. Very good, Prinjal. That means you have watched the screen very carefully, the picture very carefully. Very good. See, where is the watch? It is under the desk. It is under the desk, right? Okay. And this is the position of the watch. So which preposition we have used for watch? Under. Under is telling you the position of the watch. Next question, be ready. Oh, this is the second C. Okay, watch. Keep remember the things, where the things are. Okay. I will count up to 10. I'm giving you the time, right? I will count up to 10, and after that, I will remove this image. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Time over. Just give me a minute. Who will tell me the position of the teddy bear? It is next to the tree. It is on the boat. It is under the umbrella. So who is going to tell me the correct option? Yes, Purav, tell me. Where is the teddy bear? Which option is the correct option? Yes, Purav? I'm unable to hear you.
It's under the umbrella.
Under the umbrella. No. Yes, Devansh.
It's on the board.
Yes, this is the correct position of the teddy bear. It's on the boat. So second option is the correct option. I asked you to watch the picture very carefully. Then only you'll be able to answer. Now see this, Purav, you said that the teddy is under the umbrella. Where is the umbrella? Can you see any umbrella here? No. So please watch the picture very carefully. Then only you will be able to answer. Now see the position of the teddy bear. It is on the boat. The teddy bear is on the boat. Next picture. Oh, who is he? Who likes to play the basketball? See the picture very carefully. I will count up to 10. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Have you all watched? Where is the ball? Where is the watch? Where is the teddy? Where is the hat? Time over. Oh, I knew that. Where is this football? Next to the duck, under the table, or behind the bike? Which one is the correct option? I watched the scene, the picture very carefully, right? I know the position. I want you to answer me. Let's see who will answer me correct. Let me ask. Naira. Naira, tell me the position of the soccer ball. It is not football, it is soccer ball. Very good. You are absolutely right. It's behind the bike. Yes. Very good, Naira. Good, Divija. Now see the ball. Where is the ball? It is behind the bike. Behind. That means back, right? This will be the last question, okay? Watch very carefully. See the position of the objects. Where is the teddy? Where is the bat? Where is the dog? Where is the hat? Soccer ball, puppy, little baby. I'm going to start counting now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is last 10. Time over. Here we go. Oh, you have to tell the position of the dog. Where is the dog? Let's see. Under the table, on the sofa, next to the stool. So which one is the correct option? Who's going to tell me? Oh my gosh, everybody is raising hand. Very nice. Okay, that means you people have watched the picture very carefully. Impressive. Yes, Kaira, tell me.
Ma'am, under the table.
What under the table? It is incomplete sentence. You have to tell me the complete sentence.
It's
Yes.
dog under the table.
Very good. The dog is under the table. It's under the table. Very good. So that means Kyra watched the picture very carefully. Very good. Correct answer. Very good, Papisha. Correct answer. Very good, Divija. See, where is the dog? Under the table. Okay. So did you enjoy playing game? Did you enjoy? How many people have enjoyed? Okay. All right. Chaliye. I am going to use this next support as the object. Okay. Listen very carefully. Listen very carefully. I am going to use this next support as the object. Okay? There are two prepositions. Listen very carefully. There are two prepositions. One is through and one is across. One is through and the other one is across. Now listen. When something or someone passes from one side to the other, we use both words, but there is a little difference. Where do we use through? Where do we use across? That I'm going to tell you today. Okay. Suppose this is an object, right? Suppose this is a tunnel. Just consider it as a tunnel. Yes, Aditya, tell me, what is tunnel?
Ma'am, tunnel is just like den.
Okay. Yes. Who else will tell me? Yes. Yes, Rudra, tell me. Just hold on. Yes, Rudra, tell me. Sorry? Repeat again. I'm unable to understand.
Surang, ma'am.
Surang. Okay. He said correct. Surang. So just consider it as a tunnel. Take a surang. Okay. Watch here. Watch here. I have a car. This is my car. This is my car. And this car is going to move. Dhyan se dekho. This car is going to move through the tunnel. Again, watch again. ध्यान से सुनिए बेटा. Repeating again, this is my car and consider this as a tunnel, right? Now this car is passing through the tunnel. So how the car has passed? Which preposition we have used for the car? Yes, Sanchita. Which preposition we have used for the car? Repeat again. Very good. True. Now see this. Suppose this is a bridge. Consider it as a bridge. Okay. Consider this as a bridge or bridge. Now my car is on this side. Now my car is moving across the bridge. फिर से देखिए. Watch again. Give me a minute. Watch again. See, my car. Am I holding it correct? Yes. My car is moving across the bridge. Across. Has anybody understood the difference between across and through? I have shown you. So this is across. Everyone watch out. Car is passing across the bridge. Car is passing through the tunnel. So what is the difference? What difference have you found? In both the cases, car is moving from one side to the other. But how? How is it moving? Can anybody tell me? What was the difference? What difference have you found? Yes, Naira, tell me. Please unmute.
In what's going under?
But I didn't use under. No, it was not under. This is a tunnel, right? And it is passing through the tunnel. Through. If you keep something that is under, okay, Naira, if you keep something that is under, but if something is passing, then it is through, passing through. Okay, bacha? Okay, let me just tell you. Okay, listen very carefully. The difference between through and across. When we say across, that means something or someone is passing from one side to the other. One side to the other. But the area is totally opened. Area is totally open. It is not covered by anything. It is not covered by anything. Okay? Understood? I'm showing you again. If something or someone is passing from one side to the other in an open area, right? No, nothing is covering it. So that means it is crossing across. It is moving from one side to the other, right? Okay? It is moving across. Sabi, pay attention. Now, see this. This is a medium. Now, when something is passing through yani ki, it has been covered by this area, right? It is surrounded by this area, this tunnel. So that is why through. Okay? It is passing through this medium. This area is covering the car. So that is why we have used the medium which is known as tunnel. Understood? Understood? Okay. On, over, and above. What is the difference between on, over, and above? Watch out.
Today we are going to learn the difference between on, over, and above. We use on to show that something is in a position above.
Okay, now see this. Can you see this ball? The ball is on the box Because the ball is touching the surface. It is on the surface. So that is why we have used the preposition on here. Okay? Because this ball is touching the surface of the box. It is on the box. Okay? That is why we have used on. Clear?
Of something else and touching it. We use over to show movement above something.
Okay. Now see, over. Where do we use over? If something is moving or crossing above something. Okay? Just like this ball. This ball is crossing the box, right? How? Over. Over. Okay? The ball is moving over the box. Okay? Clear? So this is the movement of the ball and it is moving over the box. Clear? See, this is over.
We use above to show something higher relation to something else.
Okay. Now, where do we use above? We use above for the things which are higher at the place, right? It is not moving. See, this ball is not moving. It is still. It is at it is at its position, right? So, and it is not touching the surface. It is not touching the surface, and it is not moving as well. So, the position of the ball is above here, above. The ball is above the box. The ball is above the box. So have you understood the difference between on, over, and above? Let me just repeat one more time. We use on if something or someone is touching the surface, just like this ball is touching the surface of the box, right? It is on the top of the box. So on, okay? If something is passing over, moving from upside, right? Crossing it. So we use over, just like this ball. This ball is moving over the box. The movement is there. The movement is there, right? Above, when something is still and which is higher, just like sun, the stars are above, the clock is above the shelf, right? Understood? Understood the difference between on, over, and above?
Let's see where to use the preposition on.
Now here are some examples. Please watch out.
Look at this picture. There is
Okay, who would like to tell me the sentence? Who would like to tell me the preposition? But you have to tell me the sentence, complete sentence using the preposition, right? Yes, Dushyant, tell me, where is the cat? Repeat again.
Ma'am, on the chair.
Very good. The cat is on the chair. Very good. Because the cat is sitting on the top of the chair, right? It is touching the surface. The cat is touching the surface. It is sitting on the surface of the chair. So that is why on. Which preposition we have used here? On. Very good, Dushyant.
a cat and a chair. Where is the cat sitting? The cat is sitting on the chair. Now look at this picture. There is
Okay, where is the computer? Who is going to tell me the answer? Divija, where is the computer, Divija? Where is the computer, Divija?
I'm on the chair.
It is
I'm on
not
the
chair.
table.
Very good, but this is incomplete sentence. I said, where is the computer? So you have to tell me the complete answer. Say, the computer is on the table. Speak up. Computer is
Computer is on the table.
very good, absolutely correct. Because this computer is on the surface of the table. The computer is on the surface of the table. So that is why on. We have used the preposition on.
The computer and a table. Where is the computer? The computer is on the table. Look at this. There is a bedside table and a table lamp. Where is the table lamp?
Table
The table
lamp
is on the bedside
on
table.
the bedside table.
Let's see where to use the preposition over.
Now see the examples of over.
In this picture, there is a tree and a bird.
Okay. So which preposition we will use for the bird? The bird is flying over the tree. The bird is flying over the tree. Okay.
The bird is flying over the tree.
Understood over?
Look at this picture. A dog is jumping. Where is it jumping? It is jumping over the fence.
Okay. The dog is jumping over the fence. It has crossed by jumping, right? Okay. So the dog is jumping over the fence. It has not touched the surface. So that is why we have used the preposition over here. Okay. Clear?
Take a look at this. There is a big house and look what is flying.
Ma'am, over.
Very good.
A helicopter is flying over the house.
Okay. A helicopter is flying over the house. There was a movement.
Let's see where to use the preposition above. Look at this picture. This is a picture of a city. There are a few large buildings. Look. What is above these buildings?
What is
There
above
is
the
a big dark
buildings?
cloud above the buildings.
There is a big
This is
dark
another
cloud.
example. There is a bookshelf and a digital clock. Where is the clock? It is above the bookshelf.
So where is the clock? The clock is above the bookshelf. It is not touching the surface of the bookshelf, and also it is not moving. It is not crossing this shelf. So that is why, and it is at still position. So that is why above. Clear? I believe everybody has understood now.